Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be all about hair. So hair care products, hair color, hair styling, hair tools, extensions, all of that is going to be addressed in this video. I wanted to do an updated hair video because the last time I did one, I still had my sewn in extensions and I wanted to do kind of like an updated products that I'm using. So that's what we're doing today. So yeah, if you guys want to hear about some of the products I've been loving and using in my hair recently, then listen up because we're gonna go pretty far into it. I have a lot of products here that I want to share with you guys. And first I want to start by talking about hair color because that's one of my most asked questions is what color is your hair? What color do you dye your hair? So I want to talk about that first and share with you guys the formula and the products that I use to maintain. So about a month ago, I went to New York City for a little shoot with Redken. So I am partnering with Redken for this video, but I've been using their products for years and years. So I'm very excited to be working with them. So anyways, I went there for a shoot with them because they were launching this new product called Brownlights, which I'll talk about in a second. But they did my hair color while I was there. The amazing Patricia from Painted Hair did my hair. So for my roots, they are a mixture of 5N and 6N. And then the rest of the hair, she did highlights and toned them with 6NB, which I believe stands for neutral brown. So that's the formula that we use on my hair. And then in between salon appointments, I have this new Redken Color Extend Brownlights blue toning shampoo and conditioner that saves me. So I only go to a salon about like every 5 months or so to get my hair colored. So in between, I need it to look fresh and right all the time because obviously I'm filming videos and, you know, taking pictures, all of that, and I don't want brassy hair. So if you are a brunette who struggles with brassiness, you need these products. So this is a blue toning shampoo and a blue toning conditioner, and I'm so glad that Redken came out with a product for brunettes because I feel like a lot of brands neglect brunettes. Like there's a million purple shampoos out there and we brunettes, we need toning too. So these products can be used on natural brunette hair or if you get your hair colored, it will work for you as well. And they are sulfate free. So they're not going to strip your hair color. They're going to tone down any brassiness, any orangeness, any redness. And the more that you use these products, the more they tone your hair. So if you feel like you need more toning, use them more often. Or if you feel like you don't need it that much, you can use them as needed. So I am obsessed with these. And also, can we talk about the smell? The smell of these products are so good. They smell like a sexy man. Like just like kind of like masculine, but so good. And I don't know, I'm obsessed with these. They work up to a rich lather and they make your hair feel so smooth and shiny. So look how shiny my hair is. Like it looks like I just went to the salon and got my hair done, but no, I have not. If you're a brunette, please try these and report back. Also, heads up, these are extremely blue. When I say that they're blue toning shampoo and conditioner, they are blue toning. Like these are like Smurf style. You definitely need to wipe down your shower a little bit after you use them just so you don't have any staining. You definitely want to wash your hands after. You can use gloves if you want. I don't use gloves, but I think these are great. You just leave them on. I think the shampoo you can leave on for 3 to 5 minutes and then the conditioner leave on for 5 to 10. So that's that. Next, I'm gonna move on to the other hair care products I'd like to use. So the other shampoo that I will rotate between, especially since I have psoriasis, this is not meant to treat psoriasis, but I feel like if I'm having a flare-up or if I want to use this just on my scalp, I feel like this is one of my favorites. So this is the Gisou Honey Infused Hair Wash. I love this. It smells amazing. And it does a great job at washing my hair. It feels very clean, very shiny. So that's what I like to use when I'm not using the Redken. And then the hair mask that I love to use is the coordinating one from Gisou. It's the Honey Infused Hair Mask. It's very thick. And it is expensive, I will say that. It's very pricey, but to me, I feel like it's worth it. But it's a very thick hair mask, but it does not weigh my hair down. And I feel like it like instantly makes my hair feel like buttery soft and detangled. So I love that. I did mention the Gisou in my previous hair video. That's why I'm not going too far in depth, but I absolutely love them as well for in the shower. The next product is a hair treatment, and it's not like a mask like the one you use in a shower. This you use on wet hair and you leave it on for like 20 minutes. So this I will use like once a month or as needed. But after I first got my extensions out, I was using this like crazy because I felt like my hair was very weak. So this like helps the integrity of your hair, makes it stronger, and I feel like it works like from the inside out to repair the bonds in your hair. So this is the Olaplex number 3, and a lot of people rave about this, but for good reason. I feel like it really works at repairing your hair and strengthening it. So if you have like weak, brittle, damaged hair, I would definitely recommend this. And this is something that I would apply all over, root to tip, when it's wet. Leave it on, and then shampoo and condition it out. So the next one I get out of the shower, I've been loving this Whatever Wherever leave-in conditioner from Together Beauty. It just looks like this. So this you apply when you get out of the shower. It moisturizes your hair, gets rid of frizziness, detangles, adds heat protectant, and I love it. It just does like a lot of things in one product, and it doesn't weigh my hair down. I really don't like products that I feel like I can feel them in my hair. So this one I feel like it does a lot and is like kind of like an all-in-one product for me. So when I have damp hair, this is pretty much the only product that I will apply. So I do have one other product that I sometimes apply when my hair is wet, but more often I will use it just like at the ends of my hair for any kind of frizziness or flyaways. I can like smooth the top of my hair. And I have talked about this product before. This is the Playa Ritual Hair Oil. So if you guys can see in the bottle, I've said this before when I talked about it, it's a very thin oil. It almost feels like a dry oil, like it's just so thin in consistency. And it's not like a thick, goopy, silicone-y oil that just like coats your hair. I feel like it like instantly soaks right in. So I love this, and the smell of the Playa products are literally amazing. I don't know, it just smells like a sexy beach. So not like a sexy biatch, but like a sexy beach. Like you're on the beach and there's just like a sexy woman out there. This is what she smells like. Then for a styling product, I actually don't use hairspray literally ever. I'm not a hairspray person. I never really have been. I just don't like how it makes my hair feel. Like I don't want to feel like there's product in my hair. I want it to feel touchable. I want it to feel naked and nude. So this next product is a soft texture finishing spray. So when I'm done styling my hair, I will spray it with this, and that gives me a little bit of hold, gives me a little bit of texture, because the texture of my hair is very fine and soft, and sometimes it doesn't want to hold a curl, but I don't want to use a hairspray. So this is what I've been loving. This is a newer product. I believe it's the Bumble Hairdresser Invisible Oil Soft Texture Finishing Spray. So this says it's for dry to parched hair. I don't know, I wouldn't consider my hair like dry or parched, but I think it's better for fine hair textures like mine, because they do have other texture sprays with like more hold and that are like a little bit thicker of a grip to them. This is like the lightest hold and like the lightest feel, and it seriously feels feathery soft. Like you can feel it when you first put it in your hair, but once you kind of like work it in, I guess I could spray it right now, but so you just kind of put it in. Smells really good, and it just kind of gives your hair a little bit of texture without making it look like you just rode in a car with the windows down, which is something I despise doing because hair everywhere and hair in knots. And then the last kind of like styling product that I like to use is this one from Playa. Again, it's the Soft Volume Powder. So it just comes out like this really fine powder. And basically you can put it in your hands or you can put it directly in your hair, but it just instantly adds like zhuzh to your hair. So it gives you volume, and it also has clay in there, so it is going to absorb the oil of your hair as well. So if you're feeling a little bit greasy, you can use this in your hair. And I really like that you can just put this powder exactly where you want it to, versus like a spray where it kind of just goes everywhere. This you just kind of sprinkle where you want, or like I said, in your hands, and you can put it wherever. And it just acts like a volumizer and kind of like a dry shampoo in one. So I haven't tried any powders like this. I've tried other volume powders, but they feel like really gummy and sticky. This is not like that at all. And I feel like since I have a pretty dry scalp as it is, this, I don't know, for some reason I feel like it just works better with my scalp. So I've been loving that. So I think that's it for products that I like actually put on my hair to like style it and condition, all of that. Now I want to talk about a supplement that I use, and I do have like other like hair, skin, and nails that I like take daily, but I'm not really that good at taking them, or like a collagen powder. That's nice too, but this is the #1 thing that I would recommend because this is what I'm most consistent with, and it has been a game changer. So this is the Biosil Advanced Collagen Generator. So these are the liquid drop forms, and these are for reducing fine lines and wrinkles, thickening and strengthening hair, strengthening nails, promoting strong and flexible bones, and healthy joints. So this product has given me so much baby hair growth. Let's see if I can show you guys. But yeah, literally all of this, like all of this hair in here, this is all new baby hair growth. Like I never had hair here at all. And I also have new gray hairs, but that's not from the product. I think that's just me about to turn 30. But that product has literally changed my hair, made my hair grow so fast. It also made my eyelashes grow, which is not part of this video, but it's an added bonus that I wanted to mention. And if you are looking for something to help your hair grow back after having like extension damage or, you know, whatever kind of damage you went through, please try this, because everyone who I've told about this or talked about this with has had the same results. So this is my 3rd bottle of this, and I am almost done. I would say about 2/3 of the way done, and I will continue to take this because it has been huge help for me and my hair. So the next up, I wanted to mention the brushes that I like to use. So these are both from Wet Brush. I don't know why this has so much fuzz in it, but you don't have to use these just when your hair is wet. I use them when they're wet and they're dry. So this is more of like a wide tooth comb, and then this is obviously a brush, and I don't know why I'm doing this right now simultaneously. That's weird, but I love these. I have very tangly hair, and these both help my hair detangle without breakage, so I wanted to mention those. And then another product I use on my hair is wet is this towel, and I've mentioned this before. It's the Aqis or Aqis hair towel turban type thing. So this is the one for long hair, and it looks like maybe a hammock of some sort or like a sleeping bag, but basically it's like a microfiber hair towel, and it makes your hair dry so much faster and gets rid of like that frizziness. So after I get out of the shower, I immediately put my hair up in this little situation. Oh, it's like a cocoon. That's the word I was looking for, cocoon. And it makes my hair dry so much faster. It just gets out all of that moisture, and it doesn't make your hair frizzy in the process. So that's another thing I wanted to mention. I literally never blow dry my hair. If I blow dry my hair, it's at a salon. Like, I'm not the one blow drying it. I just don't like blow drying it, and I honestly feel like it makes my hair frizzier when I do blow dry. So I suck at it and I don't do it. But some hair tools that I do use are this one. This I've mentioned before. It's the Ionic curling iron, and so it has a clamp like this, but you can use it as a wand too. But more often than not, I just use it like as a regular curling iron. And in my last hair video, I have a tutorial on how I do my curls, so refer to that if you're interested. But I love this, and it has some sort of Ionic technology that is supposed to be beneficial for your hair instead of harmful. So I love that. Then another hairstyling tool that I like to use are these hot rollers, and I have a video on how I use hot rollers. So if you see me with big bouncier curls, this is what I'm using, and I absolutely love these. They're from T3, and yeah, I will link the video to that. Then the last styling tool that I wanted to mention is this Amika hair straightening brush. So I picked this up during the Sephora like VIB sale, and I really do like this. When I straighten my hair, this is what I'm using, and I really like that it doesn't make my hair like so flat. I feel like when you're using like a regular flat iron and clamping it, it just makes your hair so like flat to your head, whereas this one you can get a little bit of a lift and it's not so stick straight. You can kind of like do a bend at the end, and it's nothing crazy, but I feel like if you have like a finer texture of hair and you don't like that so slick to your head look, you would like this. I'm not sure how it'll work for like thick, coarse, curly hair. I'm sure there's YouTube videos out there about that, but for me and my hair type, I do really like this for when I want to straighten my hair. I don't know, I feel like it's less damaging. Like the clamp, for some reason, gives me like bad flashbacks to high school where I'm just like straightening my hair so stick straight every single second of my life. And I don't really like to relive that, so I prefer this straightening brush. And then one last product that I wanted to mention in this video are the clip-in extensions that I use. So I'm not wearing them right now. I'll show you them right here. But I was using these a lot when I first took my hand-tied extensions out. I felt like they really thinned out my hair, and you can watch my vlog of getting them out if you want to hear more details about that. But I was like really, I felt like my hair was like all gone. So for a while I was wearing these all the time. Now I only wear them if I want like some extra volume. But these are from Hidden Crown, and they're not the crown halo style. These are the ones with the clips. So I believe it comes with like 2 other pieces, but this is just the main weft, I guess. And this is in shade number 3, and it has like a few wefts sewn into one. So that's what I liked about it. I didn't like the feeling of wearing like a lot of like rows, so I just used 1 row of this, and it gave me the thickness that I needed. So if you're looking for hair extensions that are thick, good quality, and you don't have to wear a lot of pieces, I would definitely check out the Hidden Crown ones. And I know it doesn't look like they're the exact match of my hair, but I feel like it adds like a little bit of dimension. So if you're looking to enhance any like existing highlights, I would recommend getting a shade that's like a little bit lighter. So I'm just gonna clip these in really quick for you guys, just to show you what it looks like. So here is the after. As you can see, it like instantly just takes you to bombshell hair. So I don't wear them all the time, but when I do want to wear them, they're so quick and easy just to put in, and I feel like they look really natural. And I think these are the 18-inch. I think that is going to wrap up this video. Those are all the products that I love and use on my hair on a regular basis. So if I forgot something, which I don't think I did, please ask me in the comments and I'll try to get back to you guys. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to Redken for sponsoring this video. Definitely check out the Brownlights line. I am obsessed. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.
Why on the day that I'm filming a hair video am I having a bad hair day? Like, why? And I know when I do a skincare video, I'm going to have like a giant breakout. That's just how it goes. I have something in my eye. But then you look and it's like, oh, I don't see anything. Did you lie, eye?